So in this whole section, we're not actually dealing with any new mathematical concepts. What we're dealing with is actually now beginning to make judgment calls on what is a better credit option. As we know, we can't always pay for things that we need with cash, houses, cars, boats, etc. And we often have options presented to us by the bank or by the place that we're buying from. And one of the things that we need to look at is how to be informed and how to have an idea of what is the best deal. So in this example, we have Meryl and Kyle. They're buying furniture worth $1,075 on credit. They can make monthly payments of $75, and they have two options. So option A, the store card, they offer a $100 rebate off the purchase price, interest of 18.7% compounded daily. Or this new bank credit card that they have with interest of 15.4% compounded daily, but no interest for the first year. So we have two different promotions. The store card, they're saying $100 off. The bank card is saying we will waive the interest for a year. The bank offer does complicate things slightly, and we'll deal with that when we get there. So option A, the store card. What we know is they have a $1,075 purchase, but there's a $100 rebate, so the amount that they are borrowing is actually $975. Their monthly payment of $75, which again we need to put in as negative 75. The interest rate of 18.7%. They are going to pay $75 per month, so the payments per year is good as the default. Compounds per year, compounded daily, so $365. We don't know how many payments they'll have to make. We do know that their final value will be 0. And so we can head over to the graphing calculator to determine how many payments they'll have to make. Open up the apps, finance, TVM solver. Filling in what we know, we have 18.7% interest. Present value, the amount they have to borrow is $975. Payment amount is negative 75 as they are paying this out. Final value 0, payments per year 0, compounds per year 365. Exit out of this, so we hit second mode. To calculate the number of payments, again we go to apps, finance, we want TVMN, enter to calculate, and we find that with the store card they will be making 14.65 payments. $15 payments, with the 15th one being somewhat less than a full payment. Looking at option B, we won't jump straight into the calculator because we need to understand this discount that the bank, not really a discount, this promotion that the bank is giving them. No interest for the first year means that every cent that they pay out will go straight towards reducing the balance that they owe. And because there is no interest, we can actually just calculate the value of these payments, these 12 payments they'll make, and reduce that from the amount they borrow. So this first year promo, they will be making $75 payments times 12, means that they will have paid off $900 of this furniture before interest kicks in. So because of that, Their present value is not 1,075. We subtract off the 900, it's 175. Interest, 15.4%. Payment amount, still negative $75. Final value 0, still 12 payments per year, and 365 compounds per year. We can go and we can calculate this out. Go back to the TVM solver, finance, here it is. Replace from the last example. Everything else stays the same. Quit out, second mode. Back to the finance app, TVMN, and we find that they need 2.38 payments here. Now, this is 2.38 payments after the interest kicks in. We still have the 12 payments that they made before the interest, means in total with the bank card they'll make 14.38 payments. Looking at this, the bank option is somewhat better. They will still need to make 15 payments on this card, but the 15th payment on the bank card will only be 38% of a full payment. The stroller card will be 65% of a full payment. So in this case, the bank card is the better deal. Some people may look at this and say, well, you know what? This furniture store card, I can only use it at the furniture store. The chances of me needing new furniture in the next little while, probably pretty slim. However, my bank credit card, I can use that anywhere. And it may cost me a little more to leave this on the store card, but I would take some peace of mind in leaving my bank card open in case something comes up, in case I need to use it to fix my car, to buy extra groceries, to do whatever, as opposed to leaving it locked up with my furniture. That is a judgment call only. If we're talking about just the cost, the bank card is the better deal, but there are different scenarios, different circumstances that will impact your choice here, even though you may not choose the cheapest option.